So in this video we will see about how to declare the Plsql programs, and we will try to implement one program to find the numbers from 1 to 5 using Plsql. So Plsql consists of the declaration part and the begin sessions. So whenever our Plsql statement start, we have to write this declare. Okay, inside the declaration part we can declare the variables, like we declare I and the data type as number. Okay, then we can go for, suppose if you want to take the name, we can take the name as varchar. So in this way we can go for declaring the variables inside the Plsql blocks. Once the variables are declared, then we can go to the begin sessions where we can implement the logic of that program. So we can go for loops like, or we can use simple statement like dbms for displaying the statements. Then we can go for the end sections and the slash sign. So this is how a Plsql blocks look like. Okay, so now we'll try to work on the Oracle server. So in the previous video I have shown you how to install the Oracle in the Oracle server using Oracle virtual machines. So now we'll try to implement here. Suppose now we will go to the terminal. We'll write one program here. Okay, C1 is already there, so we'll try to escape this. Vi p1.sql. Okay, so now we'll go to this vi editor. We'll try to implement the programs of the Plsql declaration part. We can declare the variables. Suppose we have declared the variable I to the value 5. Now we'll go to the begin sessions where we can write the logic. Suppose if you want to display the value of I. So this is the statement that we are writing here, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line I is and the value of I. We have to terminate with a semicolon. We can use the end statement to end this begin sessions and the slash. So Plsql blocks look like this declaration part where we are declaring the variables, begin session, and inside the begin we can write the logic of that programs. So we'll try to run this program. Okay, we have saved this name with p1.sql. Now I'll try to run this program here. Unable to open the file. P1 is already there. PL we have written here. Okay, so one mistake we are doing here, we have to use the slash sign. Now it is showing that Plsql procedure is successfully completed, but it is not showing the output. So whenever we need to see the output of the Plsql, we have to write here set server output on. Run again. We will try to run again this program. Okay, now you can see the value of I is 5. That is how we can go for running the Plsql. Now I will try to create one program for printing the numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, so here we are going to open the terminal. Okay, We'll try to implement the program. So we have given the name as while exam.sql. So now we are inside the VI editor. We'll declare the variables. Now we'll go for the begin session. Inside the begin session we will write the while loop. So here we are giving the conditions I less than or equal to. Give the loops, we have to 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 use loop and end loop. So inside the loop we can write the logic. Suppose we want to print the statement value of I. Then we need to increment, because we have initialized, we need to initialize the value of I as 0. We are giving the less than or equal to condition. So we will try to write here it as 0. Now we will try to increment the value of I. So the name of the program is while exam, escape shift colon W Q, save and execute. I will try to run this program while exam.sql. Where we are currently, we are currently in the root directory. We need to copy to the home directory. So you can see that while exam in, we need to save the programs in the home directory, then only we can execute here. Or we can, the program is in the root directory, we can give the path of the root directory also. So now we will try to run this program. Now you can see the value of I, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we can go for executing a Plsql statements. So in this program we have seen how to print the numbers from 1 to 5 using Plsql. So thank you for watching this.